Hello everybody, welcome to today's vlog. So in my latest video I said that I'm from USA, like I'm half Polish and half America. So I decided to speak English in my videos. So first, what I want to talk about it today is my uniform, because I go to middle school, to private school, Catholic, and now I'm also going to private school, also Catholic. So that was my uniform in middle school. Yeah, it was. Yep. And no, this t-shirt wasn't in uniform, but that's my t-shirt that I was wearing in school today, because right now in high school it's also Catholic, but we don't need to like have uniforms. So that was like my today t-shirt, my today look. So yes, today I'll be talking about my school in Polish, how it looks, what are we doing, how our lesson looks, my books and stuff like that. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my backpack, but it's really heavy. I don't know what I have in here, but everything. I have everything in my backpack. So we have books, and our books are a little different than America, and our notebooks also. So that's my big notebook for Polish lessons. Yes, I can show you. So yep, and we have a lot of like some paper. Oh my gosh, some papers with some text. Like here we have a text of Zbigniew Kubiak, Tradycja klasyczna. Yes, so we have like a lot of text. Yes, and like I have also English books, and like for me they're easy peasy. So that's my English book, is Matura Prime Time. And we have like, no, we don't have. I was thinking that we have Polish something in here, but no, the book is all in English. So yeah, so we have like, I'll show you. Yeah, it's pretty easy because it's like ABC. We have stuff like that, or we have some text. So it's like, for me it's easy, but for not everyone. Then I am learning the second, my language is Spain. Espanol. So yeah, I'm not good from Espanol or Spanish. From Spanish, I am so stupid. Okay, from Spanish, but I'm trying to learn. So I know some words like ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Julia. Yeah, and I don't know more, but yeah. So we have like also some pictures in here, and some like, yeah, that's our, yep, the pictures. And we also have like the second book when you can do something like coursework. It's easy too, but I don't like learn a lot from Spanish, so yeah. Then we have like math. So that's our math book. It's Matematyka in Polish. Yep, math book is really like, I have no idea what's going on in math. It's hard. It's really hard. Yep. So then we have like it's called Przyroda in Polish, and that's like 4 topics in one. So on this, like, we have 4 hours of this lesson in the week, and we are learning on like, we have 2 hours with one teacher and the second 2 hours in second teacher. So we are learning the chemistry, biology, geographic and physics, like on two lessons with 2 teachers. So it's like, we are doing nothing on this lesson. We have like this like exercises, but they are really easy, like really easy. Like they're also ABC or something. And like the many hours we are watching films, so we're doing nothing. Then we have also the religion, because yes, I am in religious school, but we don't do nothing actually. Like we are talking, or yeah, when we have a priest, we are doing nothing also. So we are just talking. Yep. So that's all about my books actually. So I also have like the American notebook, like my notes book, yes, something like that, when I'm taking notes. And I also, I bring it from USA to Poland, and I just told everyone that they need to use it. The flashcards, I love them, and I also have this one, they're for Target, and I just like Polish people was like, what the heck is that? And we don't have it in Polish, but yeah, they didn't have that. Yeah, I have a little bit problem because like everyone's speaking Polish and speaking English, and it's like, ooh, my brain is messing. I'm messing with my brain. Yeah, so having like, I don't know what I have also here my glasses, like everything I need. Okay. So that's about my backpack. The second, like, I don't know what's going on with people, but someone just asked me if we have like rings, normal rings, or we have bells, like bells in their church. It's like, no, we don't have like bells in church. Breaks. We have normal rings. So yeah, we have normal rings. Our school, like, this normal, like, maybe, I don't know. So we have 45 minutes of lessons, and we have 5 breaks for 10 minutes and 20 minutes. And this one is like something about like our dinner time or something, but for us it's just like normal break, and we are doing the usual thing that we are doing on normal break, the short break, 10 minutes. So yeah, we don't have like the long break like in USA. We have just like this, and our lessons start at 8 a.m. Like, yeah, probably 8 a.m. everybody starts. No, we never start earlier, but we are like ending school on like different hours. So 5 times a week I am ending at 3 a.m. and 1 at 2 a.m. Yep, 2 a.m. Yep, so that's my, like, I have 8 hours or 7 of lessons every day, so that's not like, that's not too much. It's like okay for me, I can do it. So I don't know what I can talk more about my school, because it's like, school is school. School is school. I may be not the best of learning, but I'm not also the worst. So the last year in first grade of high school, because in Polish we have three. Oh my God, what happened with my English? We have 3 like classes, first grades, first, second and third. So I'm right now in the second of grade of high school, and then we are going to university. And in first grade I was one of the best from my class, so yep, I am not that bad. So I think that's it. I just say adios, because I'm good at Spanish. No, I'm not, but adios. See you next time. And maybe if you have some questions about Poland, Polish people and stuff like that, you can just comment below, and I will talk about everything you want, guys. Really. Adios.